somebody that is searching for a job or a career or just transitioning from your previous experiences and want to see what's available in your local area? Well, there's tons of job databases out there, and Indeed is one of those ones that will really help you refine and define what you're looking for in your career. So today we're just going to go through a realistic approach and see what we see. Hello, my name is Jon-Marc, and today I'm going to be your guide / Cliff Notes expert for Indeed. Indeed is essentially a job searchable database and is something that I've utilized for employment opportunities in the past and currently still using every day. And so basically what this video is for is to essentially help those that are in any kind of transition, whether it's from education, a job, military, just some top tips and just ideas that you can use to use your time wisely, because we want to simplify our results in a way that works best for us, because working smarter, not harder, is the goal. So with that in mind, let's continue. So we're going to go through some tips and tricks. That way you have a good idea of what you need to look for and deal with. And of course we'll start with how to navigate. First things first, go ahead and set a bookmark in your browser. Get there as fast as possible. That's the point of all of this. We want to work smarter for our process. Typical layout of a searchable database. If you look over here in the right hand corner, your little guy right there, if you click on that, you can log in with your email account. Highly recommend set up an account. There's even messages right there down there as well. Basic search area, your what and your where. You can search pretty much anywhere in the world here, which is great. And you have your job feed and recent searches. These are things, since you've logged in, you actually have sort of a history that's there, and it will help you in your process. Scroll down, see on the left hand side everything's moving, and the right hand side seems to stay static. It's because it's the first job that we have selected up top right there. If you scroll down on the right hand side, you can scroll down within it and see all the details of what's going on. This is important for what we're going to be looking for later. Refine your work. Now that we have a basic overview, we're going to essentially refine our work. So I'm in St. Louis, and so I'm going to search here, and that's important for me because you can search anywhere, but for now we're going to just click on the what, and as you could tell, there's some terminology there that really helps you out. And as you start typing in the area you're searching, which is graphic design, you start seeing different recommendations. Highly recommend looking at these because that's what the job or career will be using as identifiers for that type of position. So we'll just stick with graphic design and we'll go ahead and hit search. Now, typically it takes a little bit of time, and there's a lot of information to digest here, and as you can see, there's a lot of things. There's little green areas that talk about insights and potentially job pay ranges and things of that nature. And these up here are called limiters. These sort of limit your results and give you better definition. And for me, obviously, full-time is the best way to go for because I'm looking for full-time work. So, and you can obviously dig a little bit deeper depending on where you are and what you're doing as far as your career goals are. So as I just sort of searched through, I found something I really like right here, and it says associate's degree, but if you see right there it says update resume. That's important. You can put your resume into Indeed, and you can go through that process, but I think it's just best to apply always on the company site. And as you can see, there's all sorts of responsibilities, requirements, and sort of the basic job title. This is great for your resume writing, and this is going to really help you get what you want out of your degree and as well as your career. Go ahead and click on that, and it will open up, and here is the company which job is open. Now, because we're working hard and trying to get a lot of things done, We can go through and copy a lot of this, but what we're going to do is go back, and you see these three dots right here. Click on that, hit save, and then, or heart, I should say, and you go back up in your profile, and it will be underneath my jobs. Notice trends. Now, since we're going to look at some trends, we're going to go ahead and X out of that. That's how you remove a limiter. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to look for some trends of different jobs. And this is something that you could do throughout your career and really try to see some of the differences of maybe hierarchy of what the job is, what type of technology is being used. Always important to think about, because if you're in, say, graphic design, Adobe products are going to be extremely important to have some experience with, as well as potentially associate's degrees, as well as a bachelor's degree, and some even master's programs. So it's something to really consider as you're digging through and looking at, a trend of what your career or a career that you would like to take or follow, or a path you want to be a part of, gives you a better understanding. And you could even dig deeper into the job ad, and you can look and see what requirements are and qualifications. Really help you notice the trends of what the career path that you want to take is. So something to really consider. Stay connected. So lastly, we want to go up to the little guy up in the corner, scroll down to email settings, and we want to get a daily job feed. So this will really help us in the process and just, help ease the trouble of finding a new career or going down this path. And you can select for other things, but for now, I think that about covers it. So now that we covered a couple areas, let's just sort of recap what we have. Obviously, you want to bookmark your page for fast access. I mean, why not? It's going to help you in the long run. Obviously, log in or create an account with Indeed. Saving your searches would really help in the process and make it easier. What and where are your primary searching? So don't think about anything too complicated. Follow those. And then for most certainly use limiters to help, refine what you're looking at and get you best results. And obviously notice trends for your job and or the career that you want. It'll really help aid in the future. And of course, set email updates. Work smarter, not harder, guys. You got this. I just want to say thank you again for watching the video. I do appreciate your time. I do hope that whatever career path you're choosing or transitioning or whatever it is that you're looking forward and using Indeed to do, that you have the best of luck and most success. Again, like and subscribe if you enjoy, and shoot me a comment down below if you have any other experiences with Indeed that you might want to share with everyone. Okay? Thank you. Have a great day.